expert kitchen remodeling services in Woods Cross, Utah. EagleRidge is the trusted expert for kitchen remodeling and renovation in Woods Cross, Utah. Our dedication to quality craftsmanship and personalized service ensures that every project meets the highest standards. From concept to completion, we prioritize transparency, communication, and precision to bring your vision to life. Our process begins with a comprehensive consultation to understand your needs, followed by a detailed plan and securing the necessary permits. Our skilled team manages everything from demolition to installation, ensuring minimal disruption and exceptional results. Whether you're looking for a full kitchen renovation, new cabinetry, upgraded countertops, or modern lighting solutions, we provide tailored services to match your style and functionality needs. At EagleRidge, we specialize in custom cabinetry, countertop installations, flooring upgrades, and appliance integration. We offer high-end materials, including granite, quartz, and butcher block countertops, as well as stylish backsplash designs to enhance your kitchen's aesthetics. Our expertise extends to electrical upgrades, plumbing installations, and smart home integration for a modern and energy-efficient kitchen. With a wide range of design inspirations, from rustic charm to contemporary elegance, we help homeowners create spaces that reflect their personal style. Open shelving, natural materials, and sleek finishes bring a perfect blend of warmth and sophistication to your kitchen. Homeowners in Woods Cross, Utah, trust EagleRidge for our expert craftsmanship, efficient timelines, and commitment to excellence. Whether you want a traditional kitchen transformation or a modern open-concept design, our team delivers results that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Contact EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com. Let's turn your dream kitchen into reality.